Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is part-time, and it is going to be non-phone. Of course, I have the job description and application page, as well as the company's Glassdoor page, linked down in the YouTube description box below this video for ease of access for you. Now, this company is called Bell Excel. They come very highly rated on Glassdoor, a 4.4 stars out of 5 stars, and they are hiring a part-time seasonal customer service specialist. Now, this customer service is non-phone. Bell Excel is in the IT field, and they are looking for someone to help by driving improvements to their information systems. So you'll be providing youth programs with the tools and resources they need to run high-quality programs. So this position is a part-time with their technical help desk, and it includes a live chat option, email, and web form submission for support. So 3 non-phone options. You'll be working all 3. Now, one thing to note, this is a seasonal position. It is going to run from April through August of 2023. They're looking for someone to help build strong relationships with their partners in the customer service context. You'll increase their partners' proficiency of the Bell Excel platform and tools through resolving their help desk tickets and inquiries. You'll creatively problem solve with partners and internal stakeholders to formulate the best solutions possible. Now, this is going to require a bachelor degree with demonstrated experience in supporting some kind of operational systems. On top of that, they're looking for someone who is reliable, has great organizational skills, and is comfortable and great with time management skills. And of course, you have to have great written communication. Now, they prefer somebody who is available during either Central Standard Time or specific Standard Time Zone hours. However, they are hiring throughout the United States. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.